Hi my friends, welcome to your channel Let's Break. Today we will discover the photogrammetry. Please don't forget to subscribe plus share plus turn on bell button. Photogrammetry is a technique to obtain flat maps and three-dimensional models through aerial photography. Modern photogrammetry has an extensive use for industrial and scientific applications in various fields such as inspection of assets, construction, geotechnics, geology, geophysics, civil works, topography, cadastre, archaeology, and more. This technique has around 50 years of development and continues to be perfected towards greater precision and new applications, from innovation in the use of drones and high-resolution cameras to the incorporation of additional technologies such as LiDAR, and the progress in software and algorithms for interpretation and generation of results for the analysis of different types of industrial assets such as telecommunication towers, wind turbines, facades, piping, etc. Photogrammetry allows the generation of multiple results of industrial importance such as orthomosaics, orthomass plans, digital terrain models, digital twins of assets, contour lines, volumetry, and 3D plans, among other deliverables. Therefore, it is highly recommended to implement the use of photogrammetry for any project that requires information of physical characteristics of the surface area or asset interest. Applications of photogrammetry in geosciences. Aerial mapping for mining is a fairly common technique that is implemented with the objective of saving time for geologists and engineers to find outcrops of material or geological structures of interest. With precision photogrammetry, these analyses take on a new importance as study areas can be easily determined, and the results can be shared digitally to speed up processes and increase productivity. In the field of geology, photogrammetry allows the analysis of land subsidence in volcanic areas, generating orthomaps and digital terrain models on which study profiles and other analyses such as volume counts, topography and altimetry can be generated